What are you doing?
I
Open the door.
garden is your storage here.
It's not word guarding. Open.
It's forbidden.
Sir, open the door. Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a while since our last project, but life and our day jobs have been keeping us pretty busy. Nonetheless, I'm excited to be back with a new video. So we finally started working on the other half of our Under Stairs storage space, and if you've been following our channel for a while, then you'll remember the large pull-out drawers we built underneath our stairs. This was one of our best projects in 2023 because of its functionality. On the other side of our understairs, all the way in the back, is actually the behind view of those pull-out drawers. We're ready to add more storage, and I'm excited to share my 3D design with you guys. I already know the first question you'll ask, which is what software I use to create this 3D rendering. It's called Home Styler, and I'm just using the free version. You can find a link in the description box below. Now keep in mind, this is my initial design for the Under Stairs Makeover, and it's very likely the final project will differ, but I think this gives a pretty good idea of the look I'm going for. We're replacing the carpet with luxury vinyl planks, building cabinets for our luggage, vacuum cleaners, and just general storage. We'll also be adding a shoe and coat rack, as well as some floating shelves. We're so fortunate to have a brand sponsor this project, so I decided to be a little extra with the design. Bernard is starting off by building the cabinets for our luggage and vacuum cleaners using 3/4-inch plywood. When you're building a cabinet, you're essentially building a box, and there are many ways to construct one. Bernard likes to router grooves in some of the wood pieces for a better fit. Once the luggage cabinet was built, Bernard then cut and installed some shelves. We decided to go with individual shelves for the ease of storing and retrieving our luggage. I'm not yet sure how I plan to finish these cabinets. I initially thought maybe just a few coats of poly, but I could also do a light stain for a bit of color. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments. With the luggage cabinet done, Bernard moved on to the vacuum cleaner cabinet, but I won't bore you guys with the build details. This one had a cutout because we're adding an outlet to charge our vacuum cleaners. Before he could install and secure the cabinets, Bernard removed all of the baseboards for a cleaner fit. If you've never removed a baseboard, it's quite a simple process. Just score along the top of the baseboard with a utility knife, then use a trim puller and hammer to pry the baseboard off of the wall. After Bernard installed both cabinets, he was then able to grab measurements and work on the final upper cabinet in this corner. We wanted the cabinet to take the shape of the available space, which made for a very tricky build, but of course Bernard figured it out. You'll notice a cutout in the upper cabinet, and that's for a light switch. We're going to include a wall sconce back here for additional lighting. I know it may not seem like much, but this is great progress given the fact that we don't do home projects on a full-time basis. In our next video, we should have all the additional cabinets built and the space will really start to take shape then. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.